Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton. What's up, guys? Guys, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I woke up to edit my pineapple pancake videos and realized I'd even do an intro for you guys. So here's my intro. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching this pineapple pancake video. Give my video a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. And all my measurements and ingredients for this delicious pineapple pancake video will be in the description box down below. And also, I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will also leave the link in the description box down below. Guys, you're getting my morning voice. Alright guys, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious upside down pineapple pancake. Enjoy! Oh, and one other thing, I want you guys to know that I'm doing Vlogtober this month. So if you're new to my channel, if you haven't heard, every day in October I will be uploading a video for you guys. So come back every day. Come back every day and you'll see a video from me. Alright? Alright. Enjoy now. Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to make some pineapple pancakes. So here are all my ingredients. So over here I have some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, baking powder, salt and baking soda. Over here I have some melted butter, milk, red cherries, brown sugar. I have some pineapple here, vanilla essence, egg, flour, and white sugar. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here, I have my pineapple and I have my sugar. So I'm going to take one of the pineapple, put it into the sugar like this. Alright, I'm going to do each of them one at a time, just like this. I'm also going to take the cherries and put it into the sugar as well. So when I finish, I'll be back and show you guys the next step. So the next step, guys, you're going to put the pineapple into the pan with sugar and let it caramelize. Okay. Just like this. We'll be back. I'm also going to put my cherries as well to get a little caramelized as well. Probably leave it for like a minute or so and then turn it over. Alright guys, my pineapple has been caramelizing for about a minute and a half. What I'm going to do is turn it over. Gently turn them over because you don't want it to break up, right? And turn them over gently. And also then turn your cherries. Alright guys, we'll be back. Cherries and my pineapple finished caramelizing. So now we're going to go mix up our pancakes. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I have some flour. You're going to pour in your white sugar. All the dry ingredients you're going to pour in. And you're going to pour in your baking powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, baking soda, and then mix everything together. Make sure everything combines well into the flour. Now guys, you're done mixing all of your dry ingredients, like a getting horse. So you're gonna mix in all your wet ingredients. So you have your vanilla essence here, your milk, melted butter, and your egg. Alright, and you're going to stir everything just like this. Make sure you mix everything up, make sure everything combines, make sure all the flour Everything mixed up good. So I'm gonna mix this up for a few minutes and we'll be back. Alright guys, so I have been mixing this mixture up, this batter, for about 3 minutes. So this is the consistency here now. So I just put on my pan and I'm gonna put some butter in it now. Just put on my pan, so I'm just gonna put some butter inside. Just a little bit. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take one of my pineapples, put it into the butter, take one of the cherries, put it into there, and then I'm going to pour in my pancake batter all over. And just spread it out a little bit. It's not going to be a perfect circle. Okay, so I'm going to try to turn it over now. See how it opens. Okay, this one's turned over good. Alright guys, I'm going to do a second pancake now. So I'm going to take a little bit of the batter, just a little bit, spread it here. Then I'm going to take my pineapple, and then I'm going to take my cherry, press it down, and then I'm going to pour my batter on top of the pineapple. Just like this. Alright, let it cook on this side maybe for like a minute or so. So we'll be back guys. So I'm going to turn over my pineapple pancakes now. Perfect. Let this cook for another minute or so and it's all done. Then I'm going to do the rest. Alright, so the first one is finished here, so I'm going to do another one now. Alright guys, so this is the end results for my pineapple pancakes here, and I'm going to eat it with some egg and sausages. I think in the video I said leave it for a minute on each side. Oh hell no, don't do that guys. It's going to burn. Just leave it for a couple of seconds instead of a minute like what I said in the video, alright? Because as you can see here, some of them burn, but I'm going to still eat it guys, you know? Them get burned, but I'm going to still eat it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast now. I'm not going to eat it on camera, guys. Sorry, not today. No, it's so early. Now it's like 6:30 in the morning. Alright, guys. So see you in the next video. Take care and bye.